Configuring Venmo transfers is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money quickly and securely. To get started, you need to have a Venmo account and a linked funding source such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card. First, open the Venmo app and log into your account. Then, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. From there, select Payment Methods and add your funding source by following the prompts. You can link a bank account, credit card, or debit card to your Venmo account. Once you have added a funding source, you can configure your transfer settings. To do this, go back to the Settings menu and select Transfer to Bank. From there, you can choose the funding source you want to use for transfers and set up your transfer method. You can transfer funds to your bank account or to a debit card. When configuring your transfer settings, you have the option to choose between an instant transfer and a standard transfer. An instant transfer allows you to transfer funds immediately, but it comes with a small fee. A standard transfer, on the other hand, takes 1 to 3 business days to process and is free. To initiate a transfer, go to the Venmo app and select the Transfer to Bank option. Enter the amount you want to transfer and choose your transfer method. Review the transfer details carefully before confirming the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email once the transfer is complete. It is essential to note that Venmo has some transfer limits in place. The weekly spending limit is $4,999.99 and the weekly transfer limit is $6,999.99. You can increase these limits by verifying your identity through the Venmo app. Best practices for configuring Venmo transfers include regularly reviewing your account activity and transfer history to ensure everything is in order. You should also keep your funding sources up to date and monitor your account for any suspicious activity. In conclusion, configuring Venmo transfers is a simple process that requires you to link a funding source, set up your transfer settings, and initiate transfers. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo to send and receive money securely and efficiently.